Good morning, children. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today we are going to start with a new lesson number 18, our festivals. India is the land of festivals. India has a rich and glorious culture. Festivals are eagerly awaited throughout India by people of all age groups. Indian festivals reflect the cluster of different religions and cultures in one nation. The entire atmosphere is filled with total zeal and zest the days before the festival. Let us have a look at the learning objectives of this lesson now. In this lesson, we shall be learning about the different types of festivals celebrated in India. But in this module, our main concern would be the national festivals. India is a big country with different seasons, regions and religions. As a result, a large number of festivals are celebrated all over the country. Many of these festivals are connected with religious events like birth of a god, others with seasons. There are some occasions when the whole country remembers a special event or a day of the past. So, let us see the different types of festivals that are celebrated in India. National festivals, harvest festivals, and religious festivals. Let us study the national festivals in detail. A national festival is a day the country remembers the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and great leaders during India's struggle for freedom. India celebrates 3 national festivals with full patriotism and nationalistic fervor. They are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. National festivals are the pride of every country. Republic Day. Republic Day is India's great national festival. On 26 January 1950, India became a free and independent republic. Our constitution was implemented. Now children, what is the meaning of constitution? Constitution is a set of rules that guide how a country, state or other political organizations work. To celebrate this special occasion, every year a big parade is held in New Delhi. It starts from Vijay Chowk near Rashtrapati Bhavan. Soldiers of all the 3 armed forces, Army, Air Force, Navy, and also the police forces march on the Rajpath. The President of India takes salute of this beautiful parade. Children and folk dancers too take part in this parade. Beautiful tableaus from every state also participate in this parade. Independence Day. India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947, our country got its freedom from the British rule after a long struggle. We remember all those brave people who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. Every year, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort, New Delhi, and speaks to the nation, giving the people a special message. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is observed on 2nd October. This day marks the birthday of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is an occasion of national significance of India. Gandhiji was a great freedom fighter who fought bravely for the freedom of the country. On this day, people recall the views and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. Prayer meetings are held everywhere, especially at his Samadhi, Rajghat. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was also launched on October 2, 2014 with an aim to fulfill the dream of cleanliness, that is Clean India, envisaged by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Now children, here we have studied the three national festivals, namely Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. I hope they are clear. Thank you and have a nice day.